Hey guys! Welcome to USA Market 24. In today's world, ensuring the security and safety of homes and businesses is more critical than ever. Video surveillance kits have emerged as an essential tool in safeguarding properties, providing peace of mind through continuous monitoring and recording capabilities. These comprehensive systems typically include cameras, recording devices, and sometimes software for remote viewing, allowing users to keep an eye on their premises in real time or review footage later. Whether for deterring potential intruders, monitoring daily activities, or simply keeping an eye on valuable assets, video surveillance kits offer a practical and effective solution. With advancements in technology, these systems now come with a range of features, such as high-definition video, night vision, motion detection, and cloud storage, making them more reliable and user-friendly than ever before. Let's explore the top 5 video surveillance kits that stand out in the market for their exceptional performance, reliability, and innovative features. Number 5. Kerui P6W Video Surveillance Kit. The Kerui P6W Video Surveillance Kit is a robust and efficient security solution for home and business use. Featuring an impressive 5MP resolution and 8-channel video input, this kit offers high-quality video surveillance capabilities. It includes two 3MP cameras, providing a combined 6MP of clear and detailed video footage. This kit uses the advanced H.265 AI/H.265 Plus video compression format, ensuring efficient storage use without compromising video quality. The Kerui P6W Video Surveillance Kit is a comprehensive and reliable security solution ideal for both residential and commercial applications. Its high-resolution video, efficient compression, and scalable design make it a standout choice in the market. While it lacks smart home integration and included cables, its overall performance and ease of use make it a worthy investment for those seeking robust surveillance capabilities. Number 4. G.Craftsman GX YUFD-M6SK2 Video Surveillance Kit. The G.Craftsman GX YUFD-M6SK2 Video Surveillance Kit is an impressive addition to any home or business security system. With 8 cameras included and an 18-meter cable length per camera, this kit promises extensive coverage and flexibility in installation. G.Craftsman is known for producing high-quality security equipment, and this model continues that tradition. The G.Craftsman GX YUFD-M6SK2 Video Surveillance Kit is a robust and reliable option for anyone looking to enhance their security system. The high-resolution cameras, combined with the generous cable length, make it a versatile and powerful surveillance solution. Despite a few minor drawbacks, such as the potential complexity of the initial setup and ensuring software compatibility, the overall performance and quality make this kit a worthwhile investment. Number 3. Asecam Surveillance Camera System. The Asecam Surveillance Camera System is a robust and versatile security solution that excels in both performance and reliability. Designed for both home and business use, this system offers a range of features that cater to the needs of modern security demands. One of the standout features of this system is its impressive 8MP resolution, delivering 4K quality video. The high resolution ensures clear and detailed footage, which is crucial for identifying faces and license plates. The color night vision is another significant advantage, providing enhanced visibility even in low-light conditions. The Asecam surveillance camera system is an excellent choice for anyone looking for a high-quality, reliable, and feature-rich security solution. Despite a few minor drawbacks, its superior video quality, robust construction, and smart features make it a standout product in its category. Whether for home or business use, this system is designed to provide the security and peace of mind you need. Number 2. Techage TAXMPT825G50P/80P Video Surveillance Kit. The Techage TAXMPT825G50P/80P Video Surveillance Kit stands out in the crowded market of home security systems with its comprehensive set of features and user-friendly design. Here's an in-depth look at what makes this surveillance kit a great investment for your security needs. The Techage TAXMPT825G50P/80P Video Surveillance Kit is a top-tier choice for anyone looking to enhance their home security. Its high-resolution cameras, extensive coverage, and advanced AI features provide robust security measures, while the durable build ensures longevity. The ease of installation and remote viewing capabilities add to its appeal, making it a highly recommended option for both residential and commercial properties. Number 1. Zosi 8HN 2258AW, 8HN 2255AW Video Surveillance Kit. The Zosi 8HN 2258AW and 8HN 2255AW Video Surveillance Kits stand out as robust and versatile security solutions. Featuring 8MP resolution, smart AI capabilities, and advanced alarm systems, these kits are designed to provide reliable and high-quality surveillance for various settings. The Zosi 8HN 2258AW and 8HN 2255AW video surveillance kits are excellent choices for those seeking reliable and high-quality security solutions. With advanced features like smart AI detection, comprehensive alarm systems, and high-resolution imaging, these kits offer robust protection for both residential and commercial properties. While the wired setup may not suit everyone, the benefits of stable connectivity and superior video quality make these kits a worthwhile investment for serious surveillance needs. Thank you guys.